everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. I actually just got back home from work, so that's probably why I look like so crusty right now. I have the new Txt Minisode album, Thursday's Child, and I ordered the full set from Weverse, so I also got the pre-order benefits, and I have the other set coming that comes in an envelope, and I don't know when that's shipping, so I'll probably have another video out for you guys. But right now I'm just going to unbox this. This came out on Monday, and I'm actually like so obsessed with this comeback. It's literally all about like a breakup. The entire album is just so good. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely go and give it a listen because I am obsessed with it. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up the albums. I don't talk about TXT much on my channel, but in case you guys are new and you're just here watching the unboxing, mostly for PCs and stuff, my bias is Tuning Kai and my bias wrecker is Subin. So here's my tuba posters. We'll go through that last, I think. I'm just very excited for the albums itself. So here are the albums. I don't want to look at the Pobs yet. I'm so scared. I mean, I feel like you have better odds with getting your bias in TXT just because there's 5 members. Here are all of the albums. I'm gonna take them out of the little plastic part. Ah, interesting. The cover is very interesting. Oh, so it's basically like a soft cover book, different from the other albums. So if you can see oh my god, things are falling, but it's like a plasticky, like a soft plastic sleeve kind of, and it's like in the book all of the inclusions are literally sliding out. I guess that's why they have them in this plastic wrapping. This is not my favorite packaging, so I just went ahead and opened all 3 versions. I'm gonna start off with this version. This is the Hate version, so it's the tan cover. So it just says Thursday's Child. Also, if I'm talking about my favorite song, it's definitely Opening Sequence. I'm like obsessed with it. Ooh, and also the book, the pages, if I'm going to like talk about this really fast, the pages are very thick. So like if you can hear that, like they're very thick. They're not like flimsy pages. In here you get some stickers, I believe. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Ah, I'm dropping everything. Here are some stickers. Hate and Mess TXT. The TXT logo. I got Sub! Whoa! I just got double Sub in this. So you get this holographic lenticular thing. This is bigger than like regular PCs, and then I got Sub for this version. Oh my god, I got my bias wrecker. And then I got Taeyeon for the postcard. Amazing. And ooh, so you get these little like postcards that have the lyrics to the songs on the back. So these are so nice. Wow, there's so many inclusions in this. Amazing. And it comes in this super nice envelope. It has the like song names and stuff on there. And then a Thursday's Child sticker. And then the CD is in the back like that. I guess that these, you can honestly pull them out to be like mini posters or something. And then here's a little standy thing that you can put together yourself. Okay, I get it. What is happening? That was the Hate version. So exciting. Those were some great pulls, if I do say so myself. So that's Hate version. I'm going to go ahead and open up Mess version. So this is the black version. I'm gonna go through these like books after. Ooh, I really like this concept. Bongyu with a cute bear. Ooh, Yeonjun in this. Stunning. I see another Sub. Oh my god, wait. Wow, these are so nice. Okay, so I got Sub for the PC, Yeonjun for the like holographic lenticular thing, and Bongyu for the postcard. Wow. And then are these different? No, these are the same lyric card things. It comes in the red envelope, which actually, I really like the red envelope. You get the same stickers, you get the same standy thingy. Oh my god, these pulls are so good. Like I said, I feel like you do have like a pretty decent chance of getting your bias, but I haven't even pulled Hyun and Kai at all. Last version is N version, the red version. Ooh, I immediately opened it up to Kai, looking adorable. I guess this is more of like the sad, like they just got broken up with and now I'm like sad. I'm sorry, they're so beautiful. And Soob. So end is like, oh, like we just ended. Mess is like, oh, I'm a mess, like trying to figure out what my life is. And then hate is like, I'm better off without you, I guess. Oh my god. I just pulled Soob for all three. Amazing. And I got Yeonjun for the holographic thing. Oh, and I finally got a Hyun and Kai postcard. He looks so cute. Wow, these are great. Great pulls, honestly. And then this envelope is this tan color. Same postcards. I cannot believe I just pulled Soob for all of those. Wow, I really just got my bias record, but I want to know what Hyun and Kai's PCs look like because I didn't look at any spoilers. Here is the pre-order benefit from Weverse. Okay, my phone needs to stop going off right now. You get this group card, Good Boys Gone Bad. They are stunning in this. Oof, they look so good. And then you get these 3 phone sleeves, I think, like card sleeves that you can put on your phone, like your phone case. So here's the tan one, the red one, and then the black one. Taehyun! These are kind of like holographic, I guess. They're like rainbowy, if that makes sense. Did I get 2 Taehyuns? I did. I got 2 Taehyuns of the same. And I got a Soob! Yay! So cute. So I got 2 Taehyuns and a Soob. Wow, Soobin really just pulled through on this order. I said I ordered the envelope one, which I think they're jewel cases and like specific to each member, so I think I get 3. So hopefully I can get more Hyun and Kai because I didn't really get a lot of him. And then I'm also going to be doing lucky draws on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to Hybe on Sunday and I'm doing lucky draws then, and then I'm going to do lucky draws, 2 lucky draw events I believe on Saturday. So hopefully I'll be able to get more Hyun and Kai. But these pulls were great. I got like a little bit of every member, so that was really nice. I think my favorite one, I think I'm gonna have to go with End. I don't know, something about the like light and like sad boy vibe is just like calling to me. But then I also really love Hate. Oh wait, I have posters still in my tube. So there are some posters. Whoa. Here is poster number 1. I'm assuming this one is for the End version. This one is for Mess, probably. I can't see if I'm getting this into frame. Mess version. Hate version. Whoa. I can see it from the back, and this is intense. These outfits are intense. Okay, like I was saying, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want an unboxing of the other set that I got. I think they're completely different from these. Like I think those ones are jewel cases specific to the member, like they're member specific covers. And then I will try to vlog this weekend for lucky draws, so I feel like that would be super exciting to see like what you get and like the different PCs for the lucky draws. I'm gonna try and edit this ASAP, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!